Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make a sliding card. So I'm using this Misty stamping tool and it's new, so I'm really excited to use it. So now I'm going to color in my backgrounds, and the colors I'm using is this golden and the blue. Across the card, so for that I'm going to cut out a slit. So now I've cut it, and there is your slit. I'm going to pull it out. So now I'm going to take this penny and I'm going to stick foam tape onto the back of the penny. And I'm going to take the penny and just put it under the slit. And now I'm going to peel the top off of the foam tape. Now I'm going to take this card and stick it on to the foam tape. And now it slides across. So now I'm going to stamp my sentiment down, and the sentiment I chose says, "Have a holly jolly Christmas." So the color I'm going to use to stamp it down is this golden. Let's put it on to the sentiment. There it is. Here's the card I made. Hope you enjoyed it. Toys from heaven.